Hi guys, it's Kara from Creations by Kara, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really yummy chicken salad that also happens to be low carb. It does not taste low carb, and one of the things I really love about it is that you can make it ahead of time, so it's wonderful for meal prep, so you can keep it in the fridge for when you have busy days. It's one of my favorite low carb lunches, but if I have to eat it for dinner, I'm not complaining, and my kids and husband love it too. So let's get started. It's really simple. And if you'd like to see more keto-friendly recipes, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You want to start with about 3 cups of cooked chicken. I use diced, but you can of course shred it if you prefer. I had leftover chicken breast on hand, so that's what I used, but a rotisserie chicken would also work perfectly. To that chicken, you want to add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ranch dressing. I use my homemade keto ranch dressing, but you can use your favorite brand. 2 stalks of celery, diced, which is about 1/2 cup. And then 1 green onion, sliced. 1/4 cup of pecans, and for the best flavor, you want to toast them. It really does make a difference in the end result. A pinch of pepper, and a pinch of dry dill weed. Now just give that a good stir till all of the ingredients are well coated with the dressing mixture, and you're good to go. You can serve it right away, or you can chill it for 30 minutes, or you can even store it in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. After you have all the ingredients stirred together, you just want to taste it and add more salt, pepper, or dill to your liking. I think it was perfect the way it was, so I didn't add anything to mine, but that is totally up to you. I like to serve this on lettuce leaves. Just scoop up some of the salad, stick it right in there. And now, of course, we have to give it a taste. So yummy. It's got all the flavor from the ranch dressing mix, and then it's got the crunch from the celery and the pecans, and it's creamy. It is so delicious. Now, if I'm serving this to my family, I serve it to them on rolls because they're not eating low carb, and they love it just as much as I do. I really think you guys are going to love this recipe. I hope you'll give it a try.